There are many Japanese words that describe different kinds of rain. In this video, we'll look at Japanese words that describe the rains of spring, haru, in Japan. Let's start with words for spring rains that include the word haru, spring. Haru no ame, a gentle quiet rain that falls in spring. It's a general term covering rains throughout early, middle, and late spring. Harusame, fine gentle rain that falls in late spring. It's often calm and soft, like a drizzle unique to the season. The word harusame also refers to a type of translucent noodle made from starches such as potato, mung bean, or sweet potato. Harushigure, a sudden brief shower that falls in spring. It's similar to a shigure, but happens after winter has ended. Haru yuudachi, a shower that falls in the evening during spring, often accompanied by thunder. Harushuu'u, a sudden heavy shower in spring, like a summer squall, but during the spring season. Haru mizore, sleet that falls in early spring. After a few warm days, the temperature drops suddenly, turning rain into sleet. Next, let's look at words that describe the long rains of spring. Haru no nagaame, rain that falls continuously from March to April, when the weather stays unsettled for days, much like the rainy season. Shunrin, a steady rain that continues for several days in March or April. The character rin itself means long-lasting rain, usually one that lasts 3 days or more. Haru rin'u, a long, gentle rain that falls in April, lasting 3 days or more. It brings warmth and helps plants grow and buds swell, symbolizing the brightness of spring. Natane zuyu, the long, drizzly rain that falls when rape blossoms bloom, from late March to April. Saikau, a soft spring rain that seems to urge flowers to bloom. It falls around the same time as the rape blossoms and has a poetic, encouraging nuance. Next, let's look at words for spring rains related to flowers and plants. Hanadoki, rain that falls when cherry blossoms are in full bloom, softly touching the petals. Hanadoki no ame, rain that falls during the blossom season, especially around cherry trees. It can also evoke chilly or stormy weather that comes with the flowers. Hana shigure, a light, chilly shower that falls during the flowering season. A spring version of shigure, the passing winter rain. Sakura ame, rain that falls when cherry blossoms bloom, gentle and fleeting, like the blossoms themselves. Sakura nagashi, rain that falls on cherry blossoms and makes their petals fall, a symbol of beauty and transience. Kyokau, a gentle spring rain that falls when apricot flowers bloom. Kurenai no ame, kou, rain that falls on red spring flowers such as azaleas, quince, or rhododendrons. It makes their colors shine even brighter. Fuji no ame, a mild spring rain that falls as wisteria flowers hang in clusters, adding a sense of calm elegance. Youka no ame, rain that nurtures flowers and helps them bloom beautifully. Yanagi no ame, rain that falls on willow trees, which love moisture and often grow near water, sometimes used in rain-evoking rituals. Kusa no ame, rain that falls gently on young sprouting grass in early spring. Hinome ame, rain that falls when tree buds begin to open, soft and nurturing, making the arrival of spring growth. Zuyu, a blessed rain that nourishes plants and brings life. Though also used for autumn, it's often associated with new spring growth. Seiyu, a quiet, soundless rain that falls gently on budding trees, calm and peaceful in feeling. Kan'u, a soft, timely rain that nurtures crops and plants in spring. It's considered a blessed rain, bringing moisture to all living things. Shunrin, a phrase describing the gentle spring wind and the life-giving rain that helps all things grow, a poetic image of harmony in nature. Finally, let's look at some other expressions that describe spring rain. Kan-ake no ame, rain that falls around Rishun, around February 4th, making the end of winter's chill. Yukige ame, rain that melts snow and helps new plants sprout, a delightful rain that heralds the arrival of spring. Yukikeshi no ame, similar to yukige ame, this expression vividly describes the warm rain that melts snow, signaling that spring is near. Keichitsu no ame, rain that falls around Keichitsu, around March 6th. It's the time when the earthworms and insects begin to emerge from the soil. Umewaka no namida ame, rain that falls on the 15th day of the third lunar month, said to be the tears of Umewaka Maru, a boy from the no play Sumidagawa. Shao no ame, rain that falls on Shanichi, the fifth earthly branch day after Rishun, beginning of spring. Shanichi is the day dedicated to Ubusu Nagami, the guardian deity of one's birthplace. It's celebrated twice a year, in spring and autumn. Higanjike, rain that falls during the spring equinoctial week, Higan, a period when people visit graves and mark the changing of the seasons. Shion no ame, rain that falls during the warmer phase of Sankan Shion, 3 cold, 4 warm, a pattern typical of early spring weather. rin'u, a mild, warm rain that melts snow and signals the soft arrival of rain. Koku, a solar term around April 20th, meaning rain that nourishes the grain. It provides moisture, essential for sprouting crops. Keiyu, a gentle light rain, one of the poetic ways to describe spring rain. rin'u, fine countless strands of rain, like falling threads, referring to the delicate drizzles of spring.